My dearest Patrick, before I met you, I couldn't imagine spending the rest of my life with someone. But now, I can't imagine spending one day of it without you.
Has a heart like yours, hold our world together.
So today, we are here gathered before the altar of the Lord to celebrate and to join Patrick and Angela on this memorable day. The day of their marriage rite.
You don't need to sing like a choir of saints. You don't need to ride like one of the greats. You don't need to dance like David danced. If you just love me like only you can, would you love me like only you can?
Hi, we beloved. Walang madaling daan na tinahak ang ating pagmamahalan. Pero sa loob ng 4 na taon, nahanap ko ang lahat ng hinahanap ko sa isang asawa. Pag-unawa, pasensya, at higit sa lahat, tunay na pagmamahal. Ang bawat araw na magkasama tayo, binibigyan ako ng dahilan para lalo kitang mahalin at pahalagahan.
Oh, you don't need to be anything to anyone but who you are to me.
Thank you for giving me a happy and healthy relationship na may respeto sa isa't isa.
Pinapangako ko, mamahalin kita hindi lang bilang asawa, kundi bilang ang pinaka-mahalagang tao sa buhay ko.
It's like David danced. If you just love me like only you can. If you just love me like only you can. Would you love me like only you can?
May I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Patrick and Angela Habalya. Patrick, you may kiss your wife.
Nice one.
Ang perspective ko sa love before, parang it's okay to settle for someone kahit na maliit na effort lang yung binibigay sa'yo. As long as mahal mo yung tao. Pero nung naging kami ni Patrick, parang doon niya pinaramdam sa akin yung kung paano yung tamang treatment, yung kung paano dapat ako dapat mahalin.
Hi, Bibe Love! Sana magustuhan mo itong gift ko sa'yo. Ito naisip ko ibigay dahil alam ko ito yung bagay na kaya kong ibigay sa'yo araw-araw. I love you so much.
Una, when you say you love one another. Patrick, you love Angela. Angela, and you love Patrick. That is the very reason you are here and expressing your love for one another. But this love must be a life-giving love. A true love, naghahatid ng buhay.
I never knew it could be so easy. I never thought it could be so true. But every time I close my eyes, I feel a peace in me rise. I never knew love could be so healing. I never thought I could learn to feel.
Angela, do you take Patrick here present to be your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do, Father.
I know that I've fallen so fast for you, right into you.
Ikaw ay isang mabuting kaibigan, isang mabuting anak, isang mabuting kapatid, at sigurado ako magiging isang napakabuting asawa. Mahal kita kasi you give me happiness. Mahal kita kasi inaalagaan mo ako ng tama. You always make me feel special. I love how kind you are, how patient you are, and how humble you are. I love everything about you.
No words to describe this feeling of what it means to now be one. Nothing could
Patrick,
ever keep
do you take Angela here present to be your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do, Father.
I know that I'm falling so.
I promise that I will always be your best friend and I will always take care of you for the rest of my life. I love you.
Pinapangako ko magiging kaibigan, katuwang at pamilya sa bawat araw-araw na ating tatahakin. Pangako ko na sa mga magandang pagkakataon at sa mga pagsubok, hindi kita iiwan.
I just wanna love you well with all that I am. So I give you my heart.
Ang buhay ko ay tanging sa'yo at pangako ko magiging masaya tayo magkasama.